Alors, je m'appelle Alexander Fleischmann, je suis chef d'équipe ici au Collège de France. Dans le labo, on s'intéresse au système olfactif, le traitement de l'information sensorielle dans le cerveau. Et bon, j'ai fait ma thèse à Vienne, en Autriche, et puis j'ai passé 10 ans environ à New York, à Columbia University, avant de venir ici au Collège de France pour établir un groupe de recherche. And now we'll continue in English. So the different steps of our work involve the stimulation of sensory neurons with an odor, and then using two-photon microscopy, the visualization or the monitoring of neural activity as it is detected within the olfactory cortex of mice. So on the screen you see two populations of neurons in the brain of a mouse as the mouse detects an olfactory stimulus. If we switch to one of these movies, then we can see how different neurons light up in response to this stimulus. So the goal is then to map the activity that's elicited by an olfactory stimulus onto a map of cell type identity. So how do different cell types respond within the context of an olfactory stimulus? It's the same type of neural activity that's elicited by visual stimuli, by tones, and also by smell. But the way the neurons are organized within the brain is different. And in fact, the sense of smell is the oldest sensory modality. So in evolution, smell came before there was vision and hearing or touch. And so in that sense, it's a simple sensory system. And by understanding the organization of this simple sensory system, we believe that we will also gain insights into how other sensory modalities are processed and encoded. Welcome everybody. Thanks for coming, and in particular thanks to those who are coming from faraway countries. We are a young laboratory. We started 2.5 years ago. We're here in Paris, but we have in my laboratory there's people from many countries at this point, and I've kept in close touch with people from outside, in particular in the US. And so we've invited our friends and colleagues to come here and dialogue, communication maybe constitutes about half of our work in the lab.